It's Marianne again with another Teams tip. This video is a quick review on organizing channels. After all that learning how to create a channel, everyone went buck wild, and now you have too many to keep track of, am I right? No worries. You can organize your channels to your likings. If you have too many channels, some may be marked as hidden. So if you go down to the hidden channels and want them to be visible, you just click Show. However, if you have too many channels and you want to hide a few, you can click the ... and select Hide. Do this for as many channels as you want, mostly the ones that you don't need constant updates on, keeping at the top with only the ones you want to see when changes have been made. Click down where it says Hidden Channels to view them. You can also change notification settings per channel to get notified for important notices and ignore any unimportant ones. Lastly, keep in mind that you can hide or show the whole team itself from clicking the ... next to the team name. That's it for showing and hiding channels. Hopefully that helps keep you a bit more organized without having to leave a team. Check out more Teams tips on our website, thevaliantway.com. Ta-ta for now.